Otumak jurer tiker. No alofus arblesed wit penlop crues naturali luciuloc. Wet juve rostli notiset a jurer itinigne du tout âge, orif jurmana alvebinont tinesid, teus steps quand et le bot men en omen improveser rs ovral el tui la tenigne affulé, tiker look. Minimise your washing. Keeping your clean ya must, but washing it to frequently to accomplish the task ma actually buttoning your hair. A wash rinse out scalp born nutrient, causing your hair to become bright break. Instead of day wash, try to keep your shampoo routine to only 2 or 3 times weekly. Invest in a dry shampoo for in between wash to keep hair looking clean. Use conditioner every time you wash your hair to restore moisture. Look for natural ingredient. Most shampoo and conditioner contain harsh detergent à dry out hair, causing breakage. In addition to minimizing the total amount of washing you do, fin a sulfate-free shampoo. When possible, use product that contain all natural or organic ingredient. Avoid extensive use of hot tool. The tool can burn or offer, causing a split en breakage. When possible, avoid using a blow dryer, flat iron, or curling iron, minimize their use to on save. Lay your hair dry when possible, en save styling tool for special occasion. If you don't like it way your hair naturally dry, apply freeze fighting product to wet hair so hair dry smoothly. If you absolutely must use styling tool on a regular basis, use it protecting product like argan or apply it to your hair right before styling. Stay away from harsh RD. Veal love to color your hair, but some bly hot chemical can have a drying out effect ta, when coupled with styling tool, can cause serious damage to your hair. Avoid using the harsh chemical on your hair, referring to more naturellement of lightening or coloring your strand, or try using vegan RD, su shamanic panic. Brush it out the right way. Brushing your hair regularly a fort overall health of your man, it's pretty natural all created by your scalp tout en of the strand, fortifying your hair. However, brushing can be damaging if done incorrectly. Use a wide tout plastic can to brush out your hair, instead of a bristled brush, round or flat. Avoid brushing your hair while it is wet, when your hair is most fragile and prone to breakage. Try to brush your hair once a day to spread out the oil and stimulate the scalp. Make a protein mask. Your hair is made up of protein, so a better way to thicken it than by adding a bit more. Mix and 2 eggs, depending on the length of your hair, with a bit of fresh aloe vera gel. Completely cut your lock and allow it to set for 10-15 minutes before washing it out with warm water. Try a fenugreek paste. Fenugreek seed aren't just good for your health, they can remove and reduce dandruff while thickening your hair. Soak some of the seed, proportional to the length of your hair, in water for 8 hours. Then, blend them to create a thick paste. Apply it to your hair for 30 minutes, and then rinse it out using the water to seed soaked in. Give yourself a hot oil massage. Natural oil, especially olive, coconut, and jojoba, help to strengthen hair and promote growth. Massaging the scalp stimulate the hair follicle, helping them to produce hair. Combine these two by warming oil to a comfortable temperature, and massaging it into your scalp. You can additionally let it set in your hair for 30-60 minutes before rinsing it out. Make a flax seed rinse. The stimulate the seed are packed full of fatty acids which add thickness to your hair naturally. Soak the slit plug in a bowl of water for 5 days. Then, apply the flax water to your scalp and allow it to soak for 10 minutes. Rinse it off with fresh water, and wait for your hair to start thickening naturally. Create a fruit mask. Turn out the nutrient antioxidant in fruit aren't just great eating, they also help to add thickness to hair. Maca out of fresh fruit be combining avocado, banana, en gratin d'orange peel in proportion to your hair. Cove your all didn't mask, leaving it to set for 20-30 minutes. Wash it off en shampoo en condition à you normally would afterward. Pay attention to your diet. The nutrient in food you yat can help strengthen hair follicle en promote growth. Yat food rich in protein, vitamin B, C, D, en E, en zinc. In general, try to include more fresh fruits en végétables, seed, nut, en whole grain to thicken your hair naturally. Examples of hair fortifying food include, walnut, spinach, flax seed, lentilles, en blueberry. Minimize your stress. It is no just an idiom when of blame thinning hair to stress level. Wet your pulling your hair out or it is simply falling out, your stress level are likely to blame. Take steps to reduce your stress and you should notice a significant change in the health of your hair. Exercise frequently. One of the best way to naturally relieve stress? Exercise. Keep your follicle healthy and stress hormone level down by getting your hair to pay for at least 30 minutes a day. You will l'experience agréable of subsequent health benefits in addition to the hair. Take hair boosting supplement. It is no always easy to get all the nutrient your hair need to grow thickly, so help your body out by taking supplement. Several have strong to growing hair faster, thicker, en longer. Try taking biotin, Viviscal, or fish all day for better of several months. Check your medication. All to know alvet cause, some medication take hormonal imbalance can cause hair loss. The most likely culprit for thinning hair it birth control pill, but en prescription medication ta change your hormone level could be to blame. Talk to your doctor and if try a substitute to your hair damaging med. Use a balding treatment. If your hair loss is extreme, try visiting your local pharmacy and getting an over-the-counter hair treatment cream. When applied on a daily basis, to help to increase the hair growth in bald or thinning patches on your head. Get a hair transplant. For extreme thinning or balding, consider a hair transplant. The surgical technique targemal pattern baldness by transferring hair from one part of the body to the balding area. Talk to your doctor to determine what treatment option is safe and viable for you. Splurge on a laser comb. Just a tech it soon, a laser comb is a relatively new innovation to use helpful laser to increase hair growth. The fancy hair comb comme a high price for alt thick, flowing hair te produce, with the set costing about $600. If you retired often or balding hair, splurge on a laser comb and you will have loose look in no time. Get hair extension. Hair extension are a temporary attachment of hair, or alors fac, to your reducing it treador glue. Extension comb made to look incredibly natural, but range in price from $100 $1,000 per set. They must be replaced every 3 months to avoid look of grow out avel. Try a keratin treatment. Available a most en salon, keratin treatment are specialty treatment to increase hair growth and add thickness and shine to your hair. You can get these every couple of months, but prepare to pay, a treatment cost $50 or more. If nothing else the keratin will work to greatly increase the health of your current hair, making it look fresh and damage-free. Change your hairstyle. While you can control your genetic, you can use the power of illusion to make your hair apart thicker. Ask your hairdresser for the best Q style to create thickness and volume in your hair. Add delay to create fullness, especially if your hair is very straight. If you are feeling daring, consider getting a bang. The contrast between your bang and the rest of your hair will help accentuate the line. Get a trim. When hair taper off at an, it tend to apart en une healthy. Trimming your hair so tight and even length will make hair apart healthy and more bouncy, and get rid of split in the process. Keep your hair looking salon di budgeting it trimmed every 6 week. Use color to play up the volume. Highlight add de dimension to hair, making it a parfulé. A mentionné above, OV, bleaching hair extensively can cause further breakage, so stay with your natural color orange. Invest in clip-on extension. If you're not ready to take te plonge en splurgeon full extension, try clip-on. Zara Mush Ship, Albaï les realistic looking, version of hair extension tacambe purchased à local body supply store. Fin some in a colorant texture similar to your own, en clip them in on a day basis to add volume to your hair.